The Radical Economic Transformation Forces in the Free State will be making pronouncements on their support for ANC Secretary-General Ace Magashule. Is among 8 people and 5 companies facing multiple charges of fraud, corruption and money laundering relating to a multi-million rand asbestos roofing audit contract. The RET Forces will also outline their program building up to Friday's court appearance of the accused. Let's go there live now. Ishmael, what can you tell us about what's happening where you are?
Well, good morning. What we are expecting today, we are expecting to hear from the Radical Economic Transformation with regard to a preparation over the pending appearance in the Magistrate Court of the ANC Secretary-General and other accused in the asbestos court case. We know that some other regions, like for instance, the KwaZulu-Natal and the MKMV, some members of the MKMV, they have pronounced on their support for the ANC Secretary-General. Now is the regional Radical Economic Transformation who have gathered here to brief us more. But with that, we've got Malifu Mofokeng just to give us a brief of what we can expect on this briefing.
Okay, thank you very much. What can be expected from this briefing is that we are here as members of the ANC in good standing, that we are coming here to pledge or to pronounce our support to both Comrade Ace Magashule and Me Olimlamleli, who is the former Mangaung Metro, that we are fully aware that the charges pressed against both of them are politically motivated. So this is our reason today of being here, to send a clear message to the nation that our support to both leaders will never end, as we already mentioned the motivation against these charges.
Given the seriousness of the charges and the challenges that we are having of a pandemic, we saw the last time there were huge numbers and there was no social distancing. How this time are you going to plan and make sure that there is that distance among your members?
Well, we are fully aware about the regulations of the pandemic and we are complying with the pandemic. Also, we are aware that the numbers should be less than 100. So we cannot anticipate the number that is going to be here on Friday, because even the ANC NEC spokesperson stated very clearly that they cannot stop ANC members to support Comrade Secretary Ace Magashule as long as they are coming there on their individual capacities. So we are going there on our individual capacities, observing the regulations of COVID-19 pandemic, but we cannot at the moment estimate the number that will be there at court.
That's Memo Fokeng from the coordinator of the Radical Economic Transformation, saying they will be gathering in court on Friday to show their support to the ANC Secretary-General. And in terms of numbers of people who are appearing there, they cannot guarantee the number of people who will be there, but they will be there on Friday to support the ANC Secretary-General.
Thank you so much for bringing us up to date there.